So today we're gonna learn how we're gonna use our SŌLEIL solar power microcurrent Gua Sha facial sculpture. So it comes in a box like this. Your solar powered Gua Sha facial sculpture. So first, it's important to note that you do not touch this area while you are massaging your face, because this area needs to be uncovered in order for the light to come in. So you can start from any part of your face that you want. Let's start right now with the eyes. You're gonna start with the orbed, from the inner corner to the outer corner of your eye. You're gonna massage, and make sure when you're massaging that you have your serums or your face oils in, so that way your Gua Sha can slide and glide properly on your face. So in this area, gonna be delicate, and you are massaging in order to help the fine lines, the muscles under your skin to sculpt. You can also lift the brow with this movement. Now, to massage your jawline, you're gonna flip it, and the orbit is gonna point upwards, and with this V shape you're gonna start by sliding it all the way to your ear. You start in the middle and start pulling upwards. Do all these movements 5 to 10 times. Next, we're gonna massage and lift our cheekbone. You're gonna use it this way. With the V shape, you're gonna place it right where your bone is, and you're gonna massage and lift upwards. Make sure this area is exposed to let the light come in. Okay, you can also use it this way with the flat part, and lift. You apply light pressure and lift towards your hairline. For your forehead, you're gonna use it parallel, and you're gonna lift. For your neck, you're gonna use it from the V shape all the way from the top to down. Be careful not massage the Adam's apple. This area is delicate, so just do it on the sides. That's it. You can use it every day. You can use it twice a day. I like to use it in the mornings, at nighttime when I put all my skincare, and you will see results in some weeks.